I want to show you how I make this easy mac and cheese quickly over the next 2 minutes. You can make this too. It should come out very nice and cheesy with the ooey gooey Tillamook cheese sauce. Okay, I'll show you how it's made and how you can see how craveable it is. Dine with Devin. I'm that cooking guy taking you on a culinary journey to make your favorite foods. You see me putting a mysterious ingredient in the pan. If you hit the subscribe button and comment below, I'll share the special ingredient with you. As the pan warms, the ingredient will start to melt. Move it around to break it up a little, but don't wait for the rest. Put in 1.5 cups of heavy cream. Stir it in more, and then add 2 cups of cooked pasta. Stir more again and lower the temperature a little. Let the cream warm up. Heat the pasta noodle, cook that special ingredient into the creamy sauce. Comment below how you would make this. I would love to read your thoughts about the dish. You can also let me know in the comments what you want to see me make in the near future. What you want to see is what I want to make. As the cream starts to heat, add in 1.5 cups of shredded Tillamook Jack and cheddar cheese. Stir it in. Do you see some tools in the video you would like to own? You can find links to it and other tools in the description below. Yes, even the equipment I used to make the video, like the camera or lighting. With these links, you don't pay anything extra, but I do get credit for your purchase and I really appreciate it. Okay, here it is going into the dish and topped with some pico de gallo. Don't leave until you subscribe and comment below that you want to know what's in the secret ingredient. Thank you. Watch this video right up here. Now,